Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learners Assembly. Today in this video you're going to learn some difference how you're going to use the word make and do. We use the word make for when you create or produce something. We use the word do for actions you must do. Some examples are make a phone call, make a decision, make a cake, make a mistake, make a comment, make a promise, make a dinner. Two examples are do the dishes, do the laundry, do the housework, do a favor, do your best, do nothing, do your nails. Thanks for watching.